Hello, this is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group with another Mortgage Minute. These are 7 contractor benefits to the fix-it mortgage, the renovation loan fix-it mortgage. We also call it the buy it, fix it, love it. There are a number of added benefits when a homeowner finances a renovation project with fix-it mortgage. These 7 benefits all work in the contractor's favor. 1, you can have confidence in knowing 100% of the funds are committed and in the bank. 2, fix-it mortgage gets you good cash flow. Although there is no advance, there are up to 5 draws available throughout the project that can be scheduled literally any way the contractor chooses. There is no firm rule about percentage of completion or timeline to get to the escrow funds. It is completely flexible based on when the contractor and borrower want to call for a draw based on any amount of work that has been done. Most contractors put just startup materials on the net 30 trade account, call for a draw, and the project cash flow rolls on from there. 3, there is no delay getting paid. HUD, the Housing Urban Development, requires the servicing lender to issue a check within 48 hours of receiving a completed draw request. 4, you don't have to worry about the availability of funds. The homeowner is not writing a check that has to clear. The contractor's money is in the bank in an escrow account, just waiting for the request. 5, fix-it mortgage can help your clients find an affordable financing option to fund their project rather than using their cash or other more expensive short-term financing. Some people use credit cards. Shouldn't get off topic here. Let's stay to topic. 6, customers who have limited equity and don't have room for a larger project can borrow against the after improved value with fix-it mortgage. That equals more equity, which equals the opportunity to finance a bigger job. 7, and final benefit, fix-it mortgage, also known as, I believe, a renovation loan, is an additional way to offer more service, opportunity, and information to the client. Helping your clients find more opportunity puts the builder way ahead of the competition. Okay, and that's been 7 contractor benefits, things that work in the contractor's favor with the fix-it mortgage. This has been James Graff with another Mortgage Minute, brought to you by Advisors Mortgage Group. And with that, I have to thank you for listening thus far and hope that you have an absolutely fantastic day. Thanks again.